Hello everybody, somebody can help me out here on my Land Rover 1999 Discovery 2 Land Rover. And here I have the fuse box inside the underneath the steering wheel. And I'm looking at this wire. I have no idea why this fuse right here, you see this is a 15 amp fuse that's connected to this yellow wire. How that got to be here, and it's apparently connected to the back windshield wiper. Or I think that's the back windshield wiper right there, as you can see. And my back windshield wiper basically kind of comes on like every 15 seconds, even though I have the knob turned off. Comes on every 15 seconds, the back windshield wiper. So I'm trying to disengage or deactivate the back windshield wiper from activating while it's driving. It may be an adjustment near the shift lever, but anyway, I pulled out the 15 amp fuse here, and I'm looking at this wire here, and I don't know what this wire here is doing here. Some sort of like wire that's attached. I also see this, as you can see there's a red wire that looks almost identical to this yellow wire. I have no idea what this goes. Maybe someone can help me out and figure out what this yellow and red wire is for. And then I have here the red wire going to this 25 amp fuse, which is I believe this one, the F1, which is connected to the what is that, the key? The F1, that's the key mechanism or the key lock. And I don't think I'm having any troubles with my key lock, but I'm kind of curious to know what these two wires are for. Maybe for a fog light, or maybe for something else. I have no idea. Somebody can maybe guess what this is. It's connected to the F18, the 15 amp. I think that's the back windshield wiper fuse, and also the door mechanism or the door lock, 25 door lock actuator maybe. So if anybody can know, or anybody knows what this is, let me know. Take care. Bye bye.